Emmett and I are in the shop.
Yeah.
We just put some brown
Yeah.
stain on there.
Yeah.
And this is going to be a name project like your Emmett project, you know,
Yeah.
with the letters.
Yeah.
The letters, but it's going to have different letters and it's going to spell Olivia.
It's about Olivia.
Olivia, yeah. You going to help me?
Yeah.
And we're going to use the CNC machine.
Yeah.
This is going to be the letters right here. Pieces of wood here. One we pre-stained, softwood. One is a chunk of hardwood. There's a bit of dust on there. Let's see what we make. All right, first thing we're going to do is get our spoil board in position. Our good piece. That right there. Get some clamps on it. Alright, here we go. It's gonna get loud. They look good. Nice, good letters. Perfect. So what I like to do as my first step is put the V-carve bit in. I'm gonna load this program that I call Setup, and that's where it's gonna offset about 100 thou on the outside of the work. And it's gonna do a full perimeter, and then I can adjust my clamps to level out the project just perfect. So now I'm gonna load the first part of the program, and it calls for ball nose. Switch over to the upcut 1/4 inch end mill, do the pockets. Then we're gonna do a neat deburr with a 90 degree. Switch back to the end mill and do the outside profile. And then this project is pretty much done. I have 6 tooling changes, and then 7 if you count the setup that I did when I went around and leveled everything. But actually, sorry, the 6th is on this one here. It gets some engraving on the back, and that's what we're gonna do next.